Yo ho ho, we are back, we are back. I just need to get some music on, it's so quiet. How loud is this? Oh, it actually looks chill. Okay, sick. Alright, now we just gotta alert everyone that we're live. My favorite, this might just be just like a manual thing, bro. I don't know. Cause it do not be working. Oh, sheesh. That's a pre-candle if I've ever seen it. Are we just gonna go up? Holy fuck, dude. Oh, what's new? What's new?
Oh god, I have no idea what's going on.
It's a pretty massive candle, I am not gonna lie. My Discord should get the alert sometime. At some point. Live. Alright. Let's see if the market wants to do anything. Oh, actually, that's pretty early. Yeah, I might just have to alert manually because Me 6 is just not fast enough. 10 minutes usually from where I... Yeah. XD. E6 delays. That's unfortunate. Goddamn. We're just gonna goon up all day. That's new all-time highs right there. AMD up 3%. Holy fuck, dude. Holy fuck.
So Alphabet prices offer of 25.46 million a share at 355.1982 per share.
Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, it's good. How you doing, bro? I'm so tired. I literally woke up and I was like, dang, I might have another day where I sleep in, but I'm like, fuck, I can't. I gotta get my ass up. We have some liquidity here at 30,820, which I think might be, no, it's less than all-time highs. Just chilling for now. Just gonna see where this goes. Already swept overnight high. This is just, oh my god. I hate trading all-time highs with a burning passion. So every day I wake up and I see this and I'm just like, damn, bro. Really? candle. Goddamn. Holy shit. What a fucking candle. Hold, what in the world? Or a VWAP. Would have been a beautiful short. What the fuck? Hello? What's going on? Hello?
In 10 minutes time now at 9:45 a.m. Eastern time, we get the US S&P Services PMI. This is the final read for May. Forecast 51 on the prior 50.9, with a range of 54.4 to 50.9. The composite PMI forecast 51.7, unchanged from the prior.
Holy crap. What in the world is going on? What in the helly? These are just 30-point candles, just ripping it down.
Alphabet sees net proceeds from the depository share offer at around $16.6 billion.
Holy shit, dude. What in the world? Is this gonna be the scam V? We go right back up. This is crazy. Oh, I guess I could put my levels on here. Level right here. 674 right here. And then 6799. Oh, this is previous all-time highs. And then I have another level here at 595, which is right here. And then 6, 7, yeah. And then I have one at 521, which is right here.
Alphabet sees their capex increasing significantly against 2026.
Oh, increased capex, would have known. It's a pretty good bounce though. We V from here? That'd be sick. Alright. Fuck me 6. I'm gonna take it off. I'll just manually alert. Oh. We gonna go down more? Actually might try this short just on the my funded futures accounts if this closes below. These evals are getting nowhere and I need to get them somewhere. Give me a close below. Alright, I'm gonna take
Order
that.
submitted. Order submitted.
Alphabet still sees their fiscal year capex at $180 to $190 billion on estimates.
Yes, tell me Meta's capex is gonna be higher. That's music to my ears.
Increasing their capex for next year significantly.
Damn, that's unfortunate.
Still seeing this year's capex unchanged.
That's unfortunate as fuck. Dude, I think I'm like 10 for 10 trades. The second I get in, it just instantly goes to stop loss.
Stop it.
That's crazy. Okay, whatever. We're gonna inverse here. Let's see. That's actually wild.
On most Canada-US trade.
I think literally every trade I take on stream is insta stop, but if we get this inversion, I'm gonna go in long.
Carney says we support the overall objective
Order
of the
submitted.
proposal and say that it's how it's drafted will
Then
not
stops at
impact
the
the market rates
low,
for Canadian
and
exports.
then we'll re-go for all-time highs. That's literally crazy, no? Literally every trade just instantly runs to stops. But now we have 1 minute inversion off of a sweep of London lows. That sounds lit to me. We just closed back above VWAP. Weekly, monthly VWAPs also in bullish. Discovery, RTH, ETH, VWAP all in balance. So we should see a rotation back up. It just kind of sucks because we are literally damn near the top, which, you know, it's always fun. Nothing wrong with a little buy the dip. Let's chill.
So in 5 minutes time now at 9:45 a.m. Eastern time, we get the US S&P Services PMI May final. Forecast to
I'm gonna move
51
my
from the
stop
prior
up to
50
the
spot
fair
9,
value gap.
with a range of 54.4 to 50.9. Meta sells AI agent for businesses in a monetization push.
Monetization push. What up, Tris? You just missed me get insta stop loss, and I'm about to get insta stopped again.
Meta shares extending gains over the open, they're up 2.5%.
That's crazy. Market makers just be watching me, bro. That's insane. Ooh, that was a very good close. Damn, that actually edged the shit out of my stop loss.
Above 900 million versus 400 million
Ooh,
monthly active users
that's not
year-over-year.
good. You know, it's crazy. I just want to be a part of a vertical move once in my life. And every time I'm not, I just look at it and be like, damn, that could have been me. I could have just taken the short here like I wanted to and just let it ride. But you know, it's always a little harder. It's always a little harder when you decide to take the trade. It's just like the completest teases of teases. Service now is down 5% back to 120. Perfect. It's holding pretty much right at the VWAPs. I think I probably get stopped out right here. One seems to be a little stronger than the other. It's unfortunate. How many points is this? 710, like 26. Almost made back my loss. Here we go. Shorts with the return of the shorts. Do I take this though off this 1 minute inversion?
Stop filled.
Crazy. No way I get bottom ticked, bro. Okay, that one's not bad. Did I just disconnect? Did my internet just go out? No. Okay. Cool. Sick. Alright, if this closes, I'm taking this 1 minute inversion again, bro. Alright.
Order submitted.
Holy shit, the drawdown on this is kind of tight. It's gonna go straight to stop loss. That would be crazy, I'm not even gonna lie. But everything's going in my favor right now. I just needed to just flush. Just needed to re-break the lows, bruh. That's actually so unfortunate right here. I feel like it wants to flush. ES is flushing down. Actually, I would have just, if I had just taken this short on ES, it would have been perfect. But Naz just had to stop me out. Damn it. Or like this short right here. Actually would have been chill on ES.
Billion users each month. 1 minute for the S&P.
I think it's gonna
PMI May
flush.
final.
I think it wants to flush. What is this? 650? Some lick here at 650. But I want the level fill. Yeah, let's break even right there. I think we flush it down. Alright, moving it to previous high, especially as we make these sharp moves down. There we go. You got this. Alright, ES cleared the previous level. I'm gonna go ahead and yep, I'm gonna go ahead and lock it there at 40, where we had the last
S&P
big
500
sweep.
pending
Move
declines
it down
today.
some more. Let's take a couple more
Stop fill.
points. Not too bad. Just made back that first loss right there. The first two losses. And then some.
50 spot 7, 50 spot 7, lower than forecast 51, compensated 51
I
spot
took
5,
that
51 spot 5,
because
lower
that's
than
right
forecast
where
51
we're
spot
at.
7.
630 is right where the VWAP standard deviation plus 2 is. So it's possible that we see a bounce here just because of how price is acting right now. But no, we are just going to continue going down, it looks like. That's crazy. This 1 minute inversion saved the day. That was a what? 50, if I don't like 43 points. Not bad, not bad.
Discuss AI framework with OpenAI's Altman.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Yeah, I'm sorry, that ticking is by design, but I guess you don't really need it. I'll try to turn it down. Damn! That's full TP right there. Broad market sell-off. Nothing like a little broad market sell-off to start the morning. God damn, son. God damn. ES is a lot cleaner. This is what ES looks like. Look at that. It's just nice, clean. So this is what I meant, right? This is where I got in my short on my NQ. So like it literally just would have been perfectly fine. I would have been chilling. But you know, instead I get tossed around by NQ. It's just my favorite. It's my favorite. Damn, it's still going. That's crazy. That's crazy. Holy shit, dude.
The US S&P Services PMI May report on the feed.
We just broke level at 595, and I kind of want to chase the shorts, but I feel like I can't. I can't do it. Holy shit, dude. What in the world? This sell-off is crazy. Damn. Yo, this is nuts, dude. Holy shit. Still going? Holy crap.
Now down 0.5%.
I could have just held this for all day. It would have been 140 right now. Holy shit. I'm gonna take this on lower risk. Half size compared to the last trade just to see if we can fill this level. Looks like we're going to. I'm gonna go ahead and move stops now since we're rebroke the lows. I would expect this to just flush the rest of the way. I don't want to see it pull back. I think we just go straight down, especially with the momentum that we're having today. We're at stops at BE, so I think we're chilling. Just need like the last like 20 points. Oh, that was a pullback. Oh, almost got us there. It's struggling. We're literally like zooming past. Oh, there we go. Full TP.
Target filled.
There we go. Should have just taken full risk. That's 33. Damn, did not feel like 33 points. This is just holy shit, dude. This would have been the cleanest orb, pretty much. Holy crap. So orb formed at 645 right here. Next candle, we flush through it, rebreak a level, pull up, and then just short all the way down to the next level. And then now we're seeing some sort of reaction. Damn. That was literally picture perfect. I should have just taken on full risk. Of course, hindsight's perfect, but I mean, you know. Holy crap. I know getting tossed around here is actually unfortunate. I got baited. Got baited. But damn.
In 10 minutes time now at the top
We
of
be
the hour,
moving.
US ISM services PMI for the month of May. Forecast
Holy
53.8
fuck, dude.
on the prior 53.6 with a range of 54.9 to 52. The prices paid component forecast 72.3 on the prior 70.7. The employment forecast 48.8 on the prior 48, and new orders forecast 53.4 on the prior 53.5. We'd also get the US factory orders data month over month for April, forecast 4.6% on the prior 1.5, with a range of 6% to 0.5%. Durable goods revised, forecast 7.9%, unchanged from the prior, and core durable goods.
I wonder if I could have financial juice
from the prior. Now keep in mind
like
also at
up
the top of the hour,
there
expect
somewhere.
from US Treasury Secretary Bessent, who's due to be
You know what I
testifying
mean?
before the
I just don't
Senate
know.
on
I don't have enough
2027
monitors. That's what
budget request.
I need more monitors so I get financial juice up on this shit, bro. Fuck. If I could just get the fucking news feed up instead of having to listen to the voice output, I think it'd be sick. But if there's usually nothing. Only time you ever need to pay attention to financial juice is when you hear that fucking loud ass siren. Oh, are we about to reverse here? Oh, is this the reversal? The fake dump into pump. Little 1 minute reversal longs, but nah, I can't just trust a fucking long after a 300 point dump. Hey, that was solid though. Low key, if I just didn't have those first two losses, would have been sick. Could be done for the day, gang. And if I copy traded everything, that would have been sick too. But I'm too scared. Yeah, the highest time frame would be this 2 minute inversion. Back to all-time highs. Is that what we're gonna do? Damn, today was honestly a fucking glorious day to trade. I'm so sad. This one right here from... Oh man, that would have just been the trade of the day, bro.
Well, right now I'm obviously trying to make up the loss.
US Energy Secretary Wright, speaking on Fox News, just repeats that oil prices will come down after the Iran crisis ends. But again, Energy Secretary Wright speaking on Fox News now.
We got 100 points. Didn't take it off. Mic turned off.
Damn. That was honestly a massive, like that was like a very good retest, or not even retest, but just a bounce off of the extremes. That's crazy. Now we're back into the orb. Should I take this? Loki have hella support here. Oh, just kidding. Just got ran. That is the 2-minute inversion though. I actually might take this. I just don't know if this is like a continuation shorts play or this is a bounce play. I'm just gonna see, let this develop.
Seen a lot.
Yeah,
Yeah, I think. Oh, I don't know what to think actually. I don't know what to think. I'll just wait for news. This is in 5 minutes.
From the prior 53.6 with a range of 54.9 to 52. Prices paid forecast 72.3 from the prior 70.7. Employment forecast 48.8 from the prior 48. And new orders forecast 53.4 on the prior 53.5. We'd also get the US factory orders data for the month of April. Forecast is 4.6% on the month from the prior 1.5%, with a range of 6% to 0.5%. Let's get the US durable goods April final. Forecast 7.9%.
Yeah, old me definitely would have shorted here off of this little 1 minute and then level. And then we also have VWAP bands. I need to figure out how to get VWAP on here. I think if I had VWAP on here, it would pretty much. Oh my god. Bro. So I say financial juice sometimes just says like the stupidest shit that nobody cares about, bro. Please. Still going? No. Okay. Yeah, there's gotta be an indicator on here, right? A VWAP indicator. ADR, Bollinger, bands, chalking. Like they got all this. You tell me they don't got VWAP? Oh, order flow VWAP. Session. Standard deviation 1, 2, 3.
And US Energy Secretary Wright has finished speaking on Fox. Again, he did just put out the one headline.
What's the color? Order flow VWAP? Are we still going down? Oh yeah, we are. Okay, but I want this to be dash. I want all of these to be dash. Dash. Yeah. If you guys are following me on Instagram, I'm gonna start teasing my giveaway today. It's not gonna start happening. I'm thinking I'm gonna start the giveaways next week, but I will start teasing it. So, gonna apply it. Hello, VWAP. Please go to add order flow plus. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? You fucking kidding me? I gotta add order flow. Really? I have to go to the client. I don't want to accidentally show something. Okay, I'll figure out the VWAP stuff later. Cause I could have sworn I do have it. Yeah, I feel like usually once we see a move like this where it just knifes straight down, like kind of just the rest of the day just kind of starts chopping a little bit. But we have news at 7, so we do have another driver.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with the US ISM Services PMI.
Just gotta let the news play out.
10 seconds.
Oh, I swear to God, if I get that alarm, I'm gonna be so sad. 3, 2, 1. Let's see where we go.
54 spot 5, 54 spot 5, higher than forecast, 53 spot 8. Prices paid 71 spot 3, 71 spot 4.
I need to
lower
figure
than
out how to
forecast,
get
76
rid of
spot
that
4.
fucking alarm.
Employment 47 spot 9, 47 spot 9, which is lower than forecast, 48 spot 8. And new orders at 57 spot 3, 57 spot 3, higher than forecast, 53 spot 4. Factory orders month over month for April had 4.8%, 4.8%, higher than forecast, 4.6%. The core durable goods revised at 1.1% as expected. Durable goods revised at 8%, higher than forecast, 7.9%. Noting some prior revisions to the factory orders month over month, revised up to 1.8% from 1.5%.
Damn. We're just gonna chop around here for the rest of the morning? Is that what we're gonna do? Is that it? That's all we got in SNQ?
Iraq's PM orders the resumption of operations by oil companies in Kurdistan region starting on Thursday, according to a statement. And we have posted the US ISM Services PMI May 2026 report on the feed for those interested. US stocks extending declines, the S&P is down around 0.4%, Nasdaq off 0.6%, with the Dow down 0.5%.
Damn. Would have been a great place to buy. 95 up like 40, 50 points. do just be kind of like a little chop fest. Not really seeing much.
Fitzwilliam, speaking on Yahoo Finance, says higher energy prices are driving up costs and inflation. Fitzwilliam says the economy has solid growth around 2%. The job market has stabilized.
Oh, so you can get RTH and ETH if you want. Dang, I think that would be a game changer if I could figure out how to get order flow plus. Like, what the fuck?
And inflation is up quite a bit.
How to enable order flow plus on NinjaTrader.
William says I expect inflation to peak in the next few months. And we've posted the factory orders April report on the feed for those interested. Fitzwilliam says inflation is elevated in the goods sector and energy-related forces.
Never saves properly? What do you mean by that? Like when you close out, do your settings reset? There is a specific way that you have to close NinjaTrader in order to. So do you see this window that I have here that has all my connections? This is like the main window. Whenever you close out, you click this X, and you have to. And I usually press save workspace if you want it to save, like how you set it up. If you close it through like, how do you close it normally? Do you just like click on the windows and then just close all? Oh. Because usually you have to close it from this main window right here and then press yes to save your workspace. And that saves it every time. That's so weird. Because I used to have that issue when I tried to like close everything else. Or like if I were to like left click my NinjaTrader from my taskbar and close all windows, that usually messed it up. But ever since I started using this X right here, it worked.
William says right now I'm not.
Because yeah, that shit kind of gets annoying. I might try this short again. If this gets a good close. It's just like kind of lame. Volume definitely dried out, which I don't really want to. How about this? We just do one micro. Yeah, one micro, and we write it down to this data wick. And then if I lose on one micro, it's kind of like whatever, but this stop needs to be above RTH VWAP.
Fitzwilliam says I do not expect long-running increases in energy prices.
How did I know? How did I know? That's kind of weird. That is really weird. Bruh. Can't make this shit up. I think it's just too funny. The immediate run to my stop loss is fucking hilarious, bro. I'm actually just liquidity. I think that's what we learned from my live streams. I'm actually just liquidity.
Fitzwilliam says new tariffs are not a large impulse on inflation.
There we go, straight run to the stop. Ain't no way.
Fitzwilliam says monetary policy is in exactly the right place. No need to raise or lower rates. William says upside risks to inflation have increased. Fitzwilliam says I don't see an obvious argument to change interest rates right now.
What is the main sound? Don't I just have the normal? I have no clue. I have the default order filled. What is the main sound? I assume it's got to be in the settings somewhere.
Stop filled.
I didn't change mine. I have no clue. I don't really care much about the sound. Damn, we're just gonna go up. We're gonna get this closed back up. Should've known.
Need to respond if conditions change.
That was a perfect orb retest, wasn't it?
William says I don't see forward guidance as particularly helpful.
But a manly, I have no clue, bro. You might have to, you might have to Google that one. I didn't really change mine, so I'm not sure, not too sure. Damn, we have so many levels up top. If we break and hold here, I might try the long. Actually, I'll just go in on one for now.
Order filled.
And then we'll see where we get in terms of. I want this all the way back to all-time high though. Oh, I think mine just has that quote-unquote aura to it because it's copy trading, so it's actually just the same sound twice. But one is a little delayed, and it makes the same sound for both of them. That's why. That's what that aura, if that is, that's what that aura is. It's just copying the same sound from a follower account. God damn it.
And William says the bond market has been very data dependent on determining its policy view.
Yeah, that's why it sounds a little weird. ES break this level, please. Oh, it already did. I'm not gonna lie. I just, like, as much as the market's dropped, like, we're literally just like 100 points away from all-time high. So we're still like, you know, we're still kind of bullish, you know? But I don't think you should let people influence you like that. That's what gets me in trouble, and I think that's one of the things where like a lot of streamers kind of get caught up is they let other people influence them. And you got to remember, I have been the least profitable I have ever been in my history of trading. So Fading me. If you have a setup that is fading me, you know, like you might win because I've been losing a lot. And that's low key facts because you can literally see it is holding above. All right, give me that pop. Give me that pop to 700. 700 low key would be a nice little BE. A nice little BE. Yeah, keep it going. Keep it going. Oh, this is VWAP. But if we get this close above VWAP, we might just be gooning. PA's definitely slowed down a shit ton though.
Fitzwilliam says there is still some downward pressure on underlying inflation.
Yeah, I'm only in one micro because I kind of want to take this trade far. Now we're back to balanced on all the time frames. Weekly and monthly are back to bullish discovery. This is looking good. This might be a we might have a runner, guys. Oh, look at that pop. Look at that 10 point pop that just instantly retraces. It's just beautiful. It's glorious. Yes. Run. Run to the 700s. I'm gonna put this here. No, don't come back down. Keep going. Stop. It's the wrong direction. Please. Yeah, let's just break even it actually. I don't know. Please. Keep going. You're going in the right direction. Higher. Higher, please. Higher. Go, go, go. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't flip. Don't flip. Keep going. Yup. Just like that. Higher. 7:30 is where we have our next little like block of orders. That'd be a sick little TP low key. Yup. Oh. Bruh. Where my buyers at? Where my long? I actually do think it would not be bad to put this below. Where the hell is VWAP in this case? Right above 677. Oh, you're gonna come tag me out, aren't you? But that is where VWAP is that I kind of wanted to hold. Hey, would you look at that? Oh no, don't. The market maker saw me move my stop. He's gonna come for it. No, no. Why can't the market maker ever hunt my TP, huh? Y'all notice that? Everyone talks about stop loss hunts. Why don't we got TP hunts from the market makers? Why the market makers always trying to ruin our day? You know what I mean? But hey, that's good. As long as you following your model, it's chill, bro. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. No. Damn it. Oh my god.
We need a way to get nuclear material out of Iran.
Stub filled.
That's actually unfortunate. Dude, there's no way.
That's Israel's PM Netanyahu says, I want
There
to focus on Iran
is
nuclear
no
program.
way. There's just no way. Bro. Excuse me? There is no way. There is absolutely no way. Dude! Hello? Do y'all see this? What the fuck?
Treasury Secretary Bessent again testified
Bro!
feed, just saying the Trump tax bill averted over $5 trillion increase in taxes.
Hello? Bro. There is no way. What did I just do? That has got to be illegal. Yo, that shit better come back right now, dude. Oh, hell nah. I need to clip that. What the fuck?
US Secretary of State Rubio says
Hey, we got
Trump
any
is aware
clippers
of
in the
the economic
chat?
consequences of the
What?
Iran war.
What the fuck is that? Oh, okay, glorious. There we go. Okay, okay. All is good in the world again. What the fuck? Yeah, Dynamis. I kind of have that same issue, especially because how I used to trade, which I honestly think is a lot more profitable. Is if you were just like scalping 10, 20 points is a lot easier than trying to get the home runner trades. So that's what I've been trying to do. I've been trying to let my trades breathe, but it's low-key hard. It's low-key hard. But I did find out that the lower you size, the easier it is for you to just let that shit run. And sometimes I'll just take a trade on 1 to 2 micros if I think the move is the right move, but I don't want to go max risk. And low-key, it's been working. It actually does help a lot. Dude.
Draw of 3.05 million on the prior draw of 3.327 million, with a range seeing draws of 2 million to 4.789 million expected. Gasoline inventories forecast a draw of 2.45 million on the prior draw of 2.572 million. Distillate inventories forecast a draw of 1.95 million on the prior draw of 2.107 million. And crude Cushing inventories, the prior was a draw of 2.794 million. So keep in mind last night's API crude oil stock chain showed a larger than expected draw of 6.75 million on estimates of 3.6 million.
Alright, that's a double bounce off of this same level. I kinda wanna... I might take this on... Oh my god, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this. I think my stop can be a little shorter than 30, so I think it's kinda worth it. Just going for these highs. Bounce off VWAP, consolidation, but it's gonna stop me out because that's just how the market makers want to play today. It's just the second I enter, just insta stop. Oh, it's so funny to laugh about, but it's just so fucking hilarious how it happens every time. Enter a trade, stop loss. Stop filled. Stop filled. Dude, I'm telling you, they know where my stop loss is. It's crazy. Connect your AI agent to Robinhood and start trading? That's fucking hilarious. Really? That's literally insane. Like, that's actually insane. Dude, I might be the most fadeable trader on YouTube. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, dead ass the most fadeable trader on YouTube. Oh my days. Ayo. Ayo. W stop loss? No? Or did I speak too soon? Yes, sir. I'm just so confused. Like, that shit is crazy, no? Like, that shit gotta be like, wait, hey. Yeah, the breakout entries, like, I feel like that's a solid entry, but I don't know. I feel like every time I do it, I just get fucking destroyed. Like, what is this? Please, just continue up, bro. Please. What's with all these pullbacks? That's a massive consolidation. That's so sad. That's so sad. If we stop me out here, I'm actually just that's just so sad, bro. Damn, AMD is at 535. Is insane. Looks like a shirt, bro.
Stop filled.
Bro. Looks like a short. You mean at 710? A short? Dude, that's actually unfortunate. Came all the way back 92 to 711, so like 20. That was a 20 piece. Damn, bro. That was like a fast move too. That's actually unlucky. ES does look like a short though. ES looks significantly weaker. Should I take this short? Should we test the theory? Here. I'm gonna take this short, and it's gonna go straight to my stop loss. Watch. ES looks really weak. So let's see it. Let's just see it run straight to my stop loss as, like, you know, a test, a hypothesis, if you will. A hypothetical situation in which my stop losses get ran almost immediately every time I enter a trade.
CNBC for those interested, with reference to Israel's PM Netanyahu's comments. So we're now 5 minutes away from the bottom of the hour, where we get the weekly EIA inventories numbers. Crude oil inventories forecast a draw of 3.05 million on the prior draw of 3.327 million. The range.
If we re-break these lows, I'll go BE, but I don't think we will though.
Keep in mind the US API stock change came out last night with a larger than expected draw of 6 million on estimates of around 3. The gasoline inventories forecast a draw of 2.45 million on the prior draw of 2.572 million. Distillate inventories forecast a draw of 1.95 million on the prior draw of 2.107 million. Crude Cushing inventories, the prior was a draw of 2.794 million.
Okay, no, I'm lying. I'm not gonna lose on this trade. I'm a wuss. Low key. Hey, but now since it doesn't see my stop loss up there, oh, she going downtown, gang. How crazy is that? I got paid before 24 hours. So yeah, I had a 15K balance and it was up 12, went for a small scalp and instantly turned around. I knew it was over there, but I didn't even bother with it. I think we move higher, but it's just like, dude, what is this? But yeah, that's kind of like what I meant by, like, small scalps are like extremely profitable. Like if you just calculate how much I was up on these trades, like this one, when it came down to just miss my stop, and then it came up from 92 to 711, like basically 20 points. If I was taking down a mini, yeah, I would have been in some scary drawdown, but this would have tagged 400 if I was just going, like 300 if I was just going 15. And then I think this trade also too, 683 down to 664, another 20 points, tag another 300. It would have just been like, you'd just be farming, but like, of course your risk drawdown is a lot higher in those situations.
It's not over in Iran, but they are weakened. So again, Netanyahu saying it's not over.
Dude, why is this guy actively trying to keep the United States in a conflict? I just don't understand. This guy literally doing the most. Like, I just don't understand. Anyone else ever feel that way? I feel like every news thing that drops, every tweet from this guy is literally just trying to, like, egg on this conflict. I'm just like, I just don't understand. Like, why is this guy trying to, like, enable these you know what candles? Oh, this might be it for the day, gang. I'm not even gonna lie. It makes sense only when drunk. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Alright, I need to book a haircut. Dang it. I need to book a haircut.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with the EIA crude oil inventories.
Hmm. 34K by end. Dude, at this rate, we're gonna hit 34K by the end of June. Oh, there's that breakup that I was looking for. Alright, later, bro. Oh my god, we would. We would do this.
Seconds. CNBC reports that OpenAI
Today's Wednesday.
Jeffries on the Hill today.
Insane, bro. Finally get that break.
Crude a draw of 7.974 million, a draw of 7.974
Oh, that's
million,
fucking
with the
hilarious.
expected draw of 3.05 million. Gasoline a build of 3.364 million, that's a build of 3.364 million, higher than the expected draw of 2.45 million. Crude Cushing inventories were a draw of 0.583 million, that's a draw of 0.583 million, and distillate inventories a build of 1.5 million, build of 1.5 million, which is less than the expected draw of 1.95 million.
That's what I'm saying, man. Hey, it's kind of fire. The level's kind of fire, though, no? I had the right idea here. It's just, I just had a little retest. Should have waited for an inversion. Then we got the inversion, took that shit down. Could have just rode that shit all the way down until for like 200 points, but whatever. And then we literally got that 5-minute inversion back up, or a 2-minute inversion back up. Just peak. Just peak. Just peak, bro. But yeah, it's looking kind of dead right now. Oh, 3 p.m. or a 1 p.m. haircut.
We have posted the EIA weekly inventories reports on the feed for those interested.
One p.m., 3 p.m., or even go noon. Decisions.
Israel's PM Netanyahu says Israel and US forces are ready if needed in Iran.
Guys just doing the most.
Netanyahu adds that I'll leave it to Trump if military escalation is needed.
Alright, should I just do my last one here? Risk like 20.
Order filled.
And then I'll have it right here.
Netanyahu says Israel is ready to resume full-scale escalation.
Bro, why is he saying these things? Yeah, if it's chill. I'm just back to like BE on the day, which is kind of whatever. I don't know. I feel like we're gonna take all-time highs today. I don't know why I have that feeling, but oh, there we go.
Who adds that opening the Strait of Hormuz is
Stop
possible
filled.
militarily.
All right. All right. I had my fun today. I was just clicking around on micros, low key, but I'm gonna call it there. Literally just had this one trade right here that was good. We had a 1-minute inversion based off of we had an unfilled. What do you call this? 2 minute for value gap projection, 1-minute inversion, and then we had some liquidity down below at Asia lows. And yeah, then I started just getting bored and started clicking buttons. I'm not gonna lie. So I think it's chill day. I could have executed a little better right around here instead of foaming and should have just waited for the inversion. Silly me. I'm going to try to figure out how to get this order flow because I really want to get VWAP on this chart. And then we'll go from there. Hopefully tomorrow everything will look super clean and nice. So yeah, thank you guys for watching today. If you guys follow me on Instagram, giveaways soon. You guys are the first to know that. And then of course I'm gonna have, if you guys are on my Discord, everybody who has purchased a account with using my code Dan0 will have double the odds to get Lucid Flex 50k account. And yeah, thank you guys for supporting the page. Thank you guys for joining the stream. And I will see y'all later. Peace. Oh shit.